Hello everybody and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Sarah and today we are going to be getting a little bit crafty and we're going to be making a mermaid fishtail keyring. Now you can find it in this copy of Girl Talk Art, which is out now. As you can see, you get some BFF bears which you paint your own, and there's loads of really great arts and crafts stuff you can do in there. So let me show you first what we are going to be making. Right, now this is what we're going to try and do, but just as a bit of an aid, I'm going to go through it with you as well. So let's get started. So first you're going to need a few things, including some wool. Now you can use as many colours as you like. We're just going for 2, and we've picked nice sort of mermaidy colours. And then you will need a keyring with nothing on it. Maybe if you've got an old keyring at home, just take off what's on there now, chuck it away, save the keyring. Then you're going to need these. Now these are super cute. These are like mermaid, sea-themed little pendants. You can find them online or you can find them in craft shops. Just have a little look around and see if you can get ones like this because they'll work really well. What you need first is your wool and a ruler and some scissors. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut 10 pieces of wool to about 30 centimeters long. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be precise. Just measure it out, snip it, and then just like magic, here's some I made earlier. 10, ready made. Okay, so they're about 30 centimeters long. Now, what you want to do is take them and fold them in half. Try and make sure that the ends are together. And make a little loop. And what you want to do is take the keyring, feed that loop through the keyring, take the ends and pull them back through the loop. And there you go, you're ready to start. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is basically, it's like a plait, but it looks more like a fishtail. So don't be intimidated, it's not too difficult. What we're going to start by doing is sellotaping it to the table. Right then, so that should keep it nice and secure and it's not going to wiggle around while you're making your plait. So first thing you want to do is divide these in 2. First thing you do to make this plait is, we start with the left hand side, take 2 or 3 strands from your left hand bunch, and what you want to do is take them over the top of the first bunch and underneath the second, just like that. And then do the exact same on the right hand side. So you pick 2 or 3, I'm picking 2. And it has to be from the outer side. Pull it over the right hand knot and underneath the left. And now, just keep on doing that. Okay, now you don't want to go all the way down because these bits are going to be quite important in a minute. So now we've done that, I would say that's long enough. Now you just want to take these and tie a knot in the end to keep it secure. There we go. Push those down, looking good. Now what you can do, if you want a bit more texture, you can give these a wiggle, make it a bit wider. There, looks pretty good I think. So now is the time when it gets to look really cute. So we can use some of these. Okay, so what would a mermaid have? I'm going to go for a shell first. And what you're going to do is just attach it to one of these pieces of wool. So you want to thread it through. All you do is tie a knot to keep it on the string. There we go. Okay, next one. Little mermaid maybe. Okay, so that is it. I think it came out really well. So yeah, you can do it with any colours you like. You can do it with any beads you like as well. Also, if you want to make a longer fishtail braid, then just cut longer pieces of wool. It's really easy. And you can hang that on your bag, style it up a little bit. So remember, you can find out how to make this in Girl Talk Art magazine, which is on sale now. It's also got loads of other great art and craft ideas in there for you. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you like. Give the video a big thumbs up and we'll see you soon. Bye.